CodeScene's CodeHealth metric shows you where the technical debt is in any codebase. CodeHealth is the only validated code quality metric in the industry, with a proven impact on business outcomes. Faster, better. And by using this visualization, I can immediately pinpoint where the healthy, good parts of the codebase are, as well as the parts with increasing levels of technical debt. The big question is, of course, how do you act upon all of this data? You can never fix all of that technical debt at once, so we need to prioritize. And priorities in CodeScene are driven by our hotspot analysis. Hotspots are interesting because they cannot be calculated from source code alone. Instead, you need a connection to the Git repositories. So CodeScene dives into Git and looks at patterns in the development activity to find out how frequently different parts of the code are being worked on. And that's what we call a hotspot. You see a bunch of hotspots here, one down here and another central one here. And prioritized technical debt is simply the intersection between complicated code that you have to work on often. That's your prioritized technical debt. And prioritizing technical debt has never been as easy as with CodeScene. You can immediately pinpoint where the critical parts of your code are. And with CodeScene, you can dive as deep as you want. So once I identify a module with technical debt, I can click on it, and I can get full transparency into why it has been selected. CodeScene's X-ray analysis offers that transparency and actionable recommendations down to the function level. So we pinpoint the refactoring targets at the function level, and we connect them to our virtual code review, which shows you why that piece of code is problematic and what to do about it.